Okay guys, so this is a quick update video. These electrical boxes that I put on, I had one little problem with them that we're going to fix, and, well, two problems. I had some comments that I should have grounded the box, so I'm going to do that now. The other problem that I had was that I was getting sawdust in the box from the holes that are still left there. So that's no good. So we need to seal that up. I'm going to use some caulk to do that. So I just got a little piece of ground wire. I'm just going to shave off a little bit from both ends and connect it to... There's a little screw hole in the bottom of the box. Right here, right there, there's a screw hole. And I found the right threaded screws to go in there. So I'm just going to make a little loop and screw this down into that hole in the box. Screw this wire to there, and then attached to the ground on the outlet. Okay, and then to cover those holes, I'm just going to stick some caulk in here. And then I got some of that automotive truck paint stuff to go over the back, or over the whole thing. This one I had sprayed with that plastic dip spray stuff, and I liked how that was, but I wanted it to be a little more durable. That's why I got the truck bed coating. So just to make this simple, I don't want it to be real complicated, I'm just going to put some painter's tape over the outlet, screw the plate on over the tape, and then just spray the whole thing. So I got it like that. I just spray the whole thing. While I was moving the camera, I got a text that my friend Bob up in Massachusetts got a little snow last night, so he's out there shoveling. Looks like he's got about 2 feet there. I hope he doesn't have to shovel that himself. I'm sure his girlfriend Paula, I'm sure you could go over there and help him. Wouldn't kill you. You're a little younger than he is. So, back to these boxes. I got this truck bed coating. I got it at Walmart. It was like $7. I'm just going to spray this onto this. And this is the second time I used it. And the tip is all gummed up on me. They're really talking about that snow. This stuff actually seems pretty thick and durable. I don't know that I'd want it on my truck, but for doing this it seems good. That should seal out all the sawdust. Once this dries, I'll just take that tape off. So I think this was a good addition. Definitely grounding the box apparently that's a good idea so you don't get shocked. So I want to thank the people that said something so I fixed this, and hopefully you guys won't make that mistake that I did. And if you do, you'll fix it before you shock yourself like I did. That's it, quick update. I don't know why you're still here. Go, fix your outlet box. And Paula, get over there and help my buddy Bob out with that snow. He shouldn't have to shovel that by himself. You're a strong young woman.